Have you ever wondered how environmental toxins can impact not just your health, but potentially that of future generations? Dioxins, a group of chemically related compounds, are a prime example of pollutants that can have profound effects on human health, not just through direct exposure but also via epigenetic modifications. Epigenetics refers to the study of heritable changes in gene expression that do not involve changes to the underlying DNA sequence. In simpler terms, it's about how your environment and lifestyle can switch genes on or off. Dioxins are notorious environmental pollutants that have been shown to interfere with these epigenetic mechanisms, leading to alterations in gene expression that can have lasting health effects. Dioxins are primarily byproducts of industrial processes such as waste incineration, chemical manufacturing, and paper bleaching. Once released into the environment, they accumulate in the food chain, particularly in animal fats. The problem with dioxins is their high persistence. They can remain in the environment and in the human body for years. When dioxins enter the body, they are capable of binding to a specific cellular receptor known as the aryl hydrocarbon receptor, AR. This binding triggers a cascade of molecular events that can lead to the activation or suppression of various genes, many of which are involved in critical biological processes such as cell growth, immune function, and hormone regulation. Research has shown that dioxin exposure can lead to epigenetic changes, such as DNA methylation and histone modifications, which can alter the expression of genes crucial for normal cellular function. For example, studies have found that dioxin exposure can suppress genes involved in immune responses, making individuals more susceptible to infections and diseases. Moreover, these epigenetic changes are not just limited to the exposed individual. They can be passed down to subsequent generations, potentially affecting the health of offspring. To protect yourself from dioxin exposure and its potential epigenetic effects, it is essential to be mindful of your environment and food sources. Opting for organic produce, minimizing the consumption of animal fats, and reducing exposure to industrial pollutants can help mitigate the risks. Moreover, advocating for stricter environmental regulations and cleaner industrial processes is crucial for reducing dioxin release into the environment. The impact of dioxins on epigenetics is a stark reminder of how our environment can shape our genetic destiny. Are you taking steps to minimize your exposure to environmental toxins? Share your thoughts and strategies in the comments.